how to include and plot reference data to my observation points. As a groundwater modeler, including measured reference data to your simulations is a very common task, to be able to compare the simulated and the observed values. The curve attributes for the simulated and observed, measured values are now stored in the FEFLOW document, which brings you a much better experience at the time of comparing FEFLOW's simulated results. Clicking on the Edit Observation Data button will open up the Observation Data panel, where you can see 3 tabs. Focus on the Observation Points tab. Here, you can easily define properties of your observation points. Once the observation points have been created, either by selecting them by hand, converting point data to observation points, or converting current selected nodes to observation points. You can define the reference of the observation points for all the process variables just by clicking on the green cross on the toolbar of the tab. Here you can also define the confidence interval for each measurement. Now you can group observation points, and in the right side of the tab, you can easily customize the properties of the curves, such as a color, line style, thickness, and add markers. The recording of the nodal budget and content analysis can be activated as well directly from the dialog. The user can also connect reference curves for budget and content groups directly from the new dialog.